If your Epic Games launcher is stuck on cloud syncing, don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the quickest fix that usually solves the issue fast. This is a simple method, but it's also one of the most effective when the launcher freezes, gets stuck syncing, or refuses to move past the cloud status. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The top fix for this cloud sync issue is to force quit the Epic Games launcher and restart it properly. This clears out any temporary glitch that may be causing the launcher to hang during syncing. First, go down to your taskbar and right-click it. From the menu that appears, click Task Manager. This will open the Windows Task Manager, where you can see all the apps and background processes currently running on your computer. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list and find Epic Games Launcher. If you have more than one Epic-related process running, focus on the main launcher first. Right-click Epic Games Launcher and then select End Task. This force closes the program and stops it completely, which is important because a normal close may not fully clear the problem. After that, wait a few seconds just to make sure the process is fully shut down. Then reopen the Epic Games Launcher. For the best results, don't just open it normally. Instead, right-click the launcher icon and choose Run as Administrator. Running it as administrator gives it the permissions it may need to properly reconnect, refresh, and continue syncing without getting stuck again. If the launcher opens normally after that, give it a moment to check for updates and finish loading. In many cases, this simple restart process is enough to fix the cloud syncing problem immediately. If it was stuck because of a temporary bug, a background processes issue, or a permissions conflict, this method usually clears it right up. If it still looks like it's syncing for a long time, give it a little more time to complete, but in most cases, force quitting and relaunching is the first thing you should try before moving on to more advanced fixes. So to recap, open Task Manager and the Epic Games Launcher task, then restart it using Run as Administrator. That is the fastest and most effective fix for Epic Games Launcher cloud syncing stuck. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.